Airport check-in.
Hello, I want to check in.
Certainly, may I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Have you already checked in online?
No, unfortunately, I had no time for it.
No problem. I will do it quickly for you now.
Thank you, that is very kind.
Are you flying alone today? Or with someone?
I am flying alone today.
All right. Do you have luggage to check?
Yes, I have a large suitcase.
Please place the suitcase here on the belt.
Is the weight okay or too heavy?
One moment, please. I will check quickly.
Okay, I will wait.
Yes, everything is within the limit.
Great, that makes me happy.
Would you like a seat by the window or the aisle?
If possible, by the window, please.
No problem. I still have a free seat.
Perfect, thank you.
Here is your boarding pass and luggage tag.
Thank you very much.
Your gate is A12 in Terminal 1.
When does boarding start?
In about 40 minutes.
All right, then I will go to the gate now.
Have a good trip and a nice flight.
Thank you very much for your help.
Security check.
Excuse me, where is the security check?
Please walk straight ahead and then turn right. You will see the entrance.
Thank you, I am at this airport for the first time today.
No problem. Many people come here for the first time.
Do I need to take anything out of my bag?
Yes, please take out your laptop and all liquids.
All right, I have a laptop and some small things with me.
Please put the laptop in a separate tray.
And my jacket too?
Yes. Please take off your jacket and your belt.
Okay, I will do it step by step.
Very good. Take your time.
Have I prepared everything correctly?
Almost. Do you still have liquids with you?
Yes, a small bottle of water.
Please put the bottle in a clear plastic bag.
All right, I have a bag with me.
Perfect. Then place everything on the belt.
Is this correct or am I missing something?
Yes, everything is correct.
What do I do next?
Please walk through the scanner.
Okay, I will walk through now.
One moment, please.
Is everything fine with me?
Yes, all is fine. You may go on.
Great, that was really quick.
You can now take your things and continue.
Thank you for your help and patience.
Boarding.
Excuse me, is this boarding for the flight to Berlin?
Yes, that's right. You are at the right gate.
Great, I wasn't completely sure.
No problem. That happens to many passengers.
Can I board now or must I wait?
We will start boarding soon. Only a few minutes left.
All right, I will stand here and wait.
Which boarding group are you in?
I think I am in Group B, but I am not sure.
Please look at your boarding pass.
Yes, it says Group B here.
Perfect. Then it is your turn soon.
When exactly can I board?
We call Group A first, then Group B.
Good to know, I will pay attention.
Please keep your boarding pass and ID ready.
Yes, I already have everything in my hand.
Very good. That makes it faster.
That is handy.
Group B may board now.
Perfect, I will go now.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much.
A problem with the seat.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Which seat number do you have?
I have seat 12A by the window.
Oh, then I am in the wrong place.
No problem, that can happen.
I will look at my boarding pass.
No rush, I have time.
Ah, I am seat 12C. That is on the other side.
Then all is clear.
I will move to my seat now.
Thank you very much.
Do you travel by plane often?
Yes, I fly quite often.
Today I fly alone for the first time.
That is exciting, but also a bit strange.
Yes, I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, that is normal at first.
Do you have a tip for me?
Just stay calm and follow the announcements.
That sounds good.
And enjoy the flight a little.
Yes, I will try.
Do you need help with your bag?
Yes, that would be very kind.
I will put it in the locker above.
Thank you, that helps me a lot. The plane is delayed.
Excuse me, do you know why the flight has not left yet?
Yes, I just heard an announcement.
What did they say?
The flight is delayed because of a technical problem.
Oh, that is not so good.
Yes, but safety is more important.
That is true, of course.
Do you know how long we must wait?
I think about 1 hour.
That is longer than I thought.
Yes, but it could take even longer.
Hopefully not.
Do you have a connecting flight?
Yes, I have another flight later.
Then that is really stressful.
Yes, I hope I am still on time.
Maybe you can ask the staff.
That is a good idea.
I will just wait and read a bit.
I also try to stay calm.
That is important in such moments.
Yes, stress does not help here.
Exactly, we can only wait.
Hopefully we get news soon.
I think they will speak again soon.
Then we will listen carefully.
Yes, and stay relaxed.
Lost luggage.
Excuse me, I think my suitcase did not arrive.
Have you checked the luggage belt?
Yes, I waited a long time, but my suitcase is not there.
I am sorry, that happens sometimes.
What can I do now?
We need to make a lost luggage report.
What does that mean exactly?
We take your details and look for your suitcase.
Okay, that sounds good.
Do you have your luggage number?
Yes, here is the tag from my ticket.
Perfect. That helps us a lot.
When will I get my suitcase back?
We usually find it in 1 or 2 days.
I really hope so.
Where should we bring the suitcase when we find it?
To my hotel in the city centre.
No problem. We will deliver it there.
That is very helpful.
Do you have important things in the suitcase?
Yes, some clothes and personal items.
Then you may get a small compensation.
Good to know.
We will handle it and contact you.
Thank you very much for your help.
Customs.
Good afternoon. Must I go through customs here?
Yes, please come to me for a moment.
I am not sure what to do.
No problem. I will explain it.
Thanks, this is my first international flight.
Do you have anything to declare?
I don't think so, only personal things.
Did you buy gifts or electronics?
No, I bought nothing new.
How much cash do you carry?
Just some holiday money.
That is fine.
Must I open my suitcase?
Yes, please open it quickly.
One moment, I will open it.
Thank you, I will just look inside.
Is everything okay?
Yes, I see nothing unusual.
Good, that calms me.
You can close your suitcase again.
Many thanks.
Is this your first trip abroad?
Yes, so I feel a bit unsure.
That is normal at the start.
Thank you for your help and patience.
No problem. You may go on now.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Taxi.
Good afternoon. Can you drive me to the city centre?
Yes, of course. Please hop in.
Thank you. I just arrived at the airport.
Welcome. Was your journey long?
Yes, the flight was quite long and I'm a bit tired.
I understand that.
How long will the ride be?
With traffic. About 20 to 30 minutes.
Is the road busy now?
A bit, but still okay.
That's good.
Do you have a hotel?
Yes, I have the address on my phone.
Could you show it to me, please?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. I know that hotel.
Great, then I'll find it quickly.
Have you visited this city before?
No, this is my first visit.
There is much to see.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Would you like tips for restaurants?
Yes, very much.
There are many good places in the center.
That sounds great.
We are almost there.
Perfect. Thank you for the ride.